Hello friends, welcome to part 3 of our Spoken English for Beginners series. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer simple questions in English. This is very important part of the daily conversation. So let's get started. So here are 4 basic questions you should know. How to ask questions. How to ask questions. Listen, how to ask questions. What's your name? Where do you live? How old are you? What do you do? How to answer these questions. Now, how to answer these questions, okay? Here are simple answers you can use, okay? What's your name? Answer, my name is Rahim. Where do you live? I live in Chittagong. How old are you? Answer, I'm 20 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. Answer, maybe I'm a teacher and I'm a shopkeeper. Okay? Some basic questions and answer, Simple conversation. Now simple conversation between two persons, Rahim and Mina. Rahim, hello, what's your name? Mina, my name is Mina. What's your name? Rahim, my name is Rahim. Where do you live? Mina, I live in Dhaka. And you? Rahim, I live in Cox's Bazar. Mina, nice to meet you. Rahim, nice to meet you too. So, now we common phrases to talk to friends. Now we use common phrases to talk to friends. Okay. Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Thanks. And you? What are you doing? I'm watching TV. I'm studying. I'm playing a game. Okay. Do you want to hang out? Sure. Yes. Let's go. Sorry, I am busy. Let's go for a walk. Good idea. What did you do today? What did you do today? I went to school. I stayed at home. I went shopping. Friendly conversation example. Now, friendly conversation example for you. Conversation between two friends, Alex and Sham. Hi Sham, how are you? I'm good. Alex, how about you? Alex, I'm fine. What are you doing? Sham, I'm reading a book. Alex, cool. Do you want to go for a walk? Sham, yes, let's go. Alex, great. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Sham, okay, see you then. Now, another conversation between Rafiq and Shamin. So let's get started the conversation. Rafiq, hi Shamin, how are you? Shamin, hi Rafiq, I'm good. Thanks, and you? Rafiq, I'm doing well. What are you doing now? Shamin, nothing much, just relaxing. What about you? Rafiq, I just came back from the market. Shamin, oh nice. Did you buy anything special? Rafiq, yes, I bought some fruits and snacks. Shamin, that's great. Do you want to hang out later? Rafiq, sure. Where should we go? Shamin, let's go to the park. Rafiq, good idea. What time? Let's meet at 5 pm. Okay, see you then. Shamin, see you. So now today's key phrases to practice. Hey, how are you? What are you doing? That's great. Do you want to hang out? Let's go to the park. See you then. So that's all today and bye bye.